chances are you probably never heard of this place, and frankly, neither did we before we came to the Philippines. It's absolutely beautiful. It took us about 5 days to get here, and it's so worth it. Now, as we speak, we're the only tourists here. Incredible. I can't believe that we're the only ones on this island. At the very tip of it, there's this rock formation. It's called a loaf bread rock formation on Antonia Island, because that's where we are.
We are north of Iloilo Island in the Philippines, in an area called Gigantes Island. Right now we are island hopping. Actually, you were mentioning it took us about 5 days to get there. The truth is we got stuck by the typhoon. You can watch that video if you want the story. But right now we're gonna be exploring all the islands around here, so we hope that you will enjoy that amazing episode with stunning views. Obviously this is like the best place for your Instagram photos. Look at that, Trina going Baywatch mode. Woo! Shark, shark!
Were there a lot of fish? Did you see fish?
Yeah, lots of fishes,
really?
lots of corals.
Oh, nice!
That's really nice. Now leaving Antonia, we're going off to another island that's basically just across. So super excited. It's called the Sandbar. Let's see what it looks like. A little bit of context. We're on a tour right now that's taking you island hopping, and the tour is from Hideaway Resort.
Yeah.
Hideaway Resort is owned by someone we met in Estancia.
We're basically stranded in Estancia because of the typhoon, and we met the owners of Hideaway, and they're amazing. They invited us to stay in their resort. It's absolutely beautiful. In addition to that, they organize tours. So if you stay with them, you can go island hopping, and it's so fun. Honestly, we're having such a fun time. I don't care. Yeah, I know. I'm such a dork for YouTube, and then on Instagram, I'm trying to be like, yeah.
Trying. We're trying.
You'll get the dorky part.
We're trying really hard, guys. I'm actually hiding my hat because I'm pretty sure my mom would be like, what the hell is that hat? But I got it for $1 US on the market, and it really helps me right now. I'm gonna be exploring, but I think it's gonna be pretty quick because, I mean, this is just that. You walk there and you walk there and you're done. You know what's really surprising here is that there's actually a little restaurant right here, a picnic area, there's this mini tree house over there. You've got a few ducks and there's a lying dog, and the island is so small. It's just so surprising to see that right here. Trina is joining me, she was doing some Instagram stuff. If you have an Instagram account, this is absolutely incredible. This is like Instagram paradise if you just want to show off to your friends. Whoa, look at that, we made it to the other side. That was really quick. Let's go see the giant fishes that the guys caught. Whoa. On to the next island, and Geoff was telling us right here that here in summer you've got lots of boats who just like dock here to show and to take pictures and, you know, just to enjoy the day. Mainly local tourism, just FYI. So many islands anyway around here that you could ask, for example, your guide to go to another island where there is no one. But that's a secret. Next island!
Nice.
Cabugao Island.
The Cabugao Island.
It is also called
Selfie Island! Well, guess what?
Cabugao Island, and this is the island that you see most photographed about the Gigantes. If you're looking it up on the internet or anything, you see those photos, that is this island.
Now we're curious to see if it lives up to the expectations of the pictures. Let's go check out together.
Well, actually, when Pierre thought of coming to the Gigantes, you wanted to come because you saw photos of this island, no?
Yeah, I thought this island looked really cool, so I'm like, let's come here.
It looks like a dragon's head almost, or something, like, yeah.
What do you guys think? Is it worth coming here or not? Because this looks absolutely incredible to me, and I totally understand why everyone takes the pictures from here. Look at that view, I mean, come on. Woo! And we are alone again. Tip, if you want to be alone, come after typhoon. Those islands are absolutely amazing. Trina, what do you think?
Words can't even express it.
It's crazy, it's like so beautiful. Those rocks, I'm a big rock fan. Like every time there's a beach with rock with amazing water and like coconut trees, it's like perfection to me.
Just look at this, you can see like one side
wow
of the ocean, and then the other side there's a strip of land in between, and then there's beautiful rock formation at the end. That's incredible to me.
So cool. So right now we're gonna go explore a lagoon that's high in the rocks somewhere all the way over there. Didn't really understand, but super excited to see. But before that, I'm gonna share with you a few aerial views of that island because it's amazing. Ooh, and this is the lagoon. Whoa, look at that. Now the reality is that you have quite a few people who come now because the only time you can be here, as Geoff was saying, is high tide. So everyone's here. Now it is time to Alright, that was absolutely awesome because look at that view, and the view you have on the lagoon when you're jumping is just insane. Now, it's not over. We are going, where are we going, Geoff? Private island?
yes, the Hideaway Resort.
Hideaway Resort, private island. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you can walk there in low tide. So we're super excited to check it out because Joel, the owner, has been talking to us a lot about it. So we're gonna see what it looks like. That. Whoa, this is so beautiful. Look at that. Wow, Trina, how do you like the private island?
It's awesome, and we can see the sandbar. It's covered in water right now because it's higher tide.
And then you can walk basically from here all the way there, which is pretty cool. Walk from islands to islands. And now this is the place basically that Joel, the owner, was telling us about, and it is so beautiful. Some people spend weeks here. Tuna hammock. This is great. So normally would be eating here for lunch, but because of the typhoon it's not happening. So after we're gonna go back to the resort, that's gonna be a great way for us to show you the tree house, because there is a tree house on the massive old tree. It is amazing. Trina obviously found the bar already. Nice. Wow, look at that. I love that. Made with rocks like that. It's so cool. I mean, it's not made with rocks. They use the rocks. Yeah, the rocks have been there and they've been using it. If you've been to a more beautiful place in this world than what we've been showing you today, please let us know in the comments below, because we want to go there, because this is so incredible. I've never seen anything like that. Have you, Trina?
Probably one of the best island hopping experiences that I've had.
Better than Greece? I don't know. Totally different.
Different, yeah.
Different landscape, different vibe.
I think the cool thing too is from the islands that we went to, they felt very different from one another, and that's what I like about it the most. So there's so much diversity within the islands itself.
So you don't get bored. Okay, we're super hungry. Let's meet there. Ta-da! We made it on the other side. So see, the island was over there. Now we're back on the main island of Gigantes Norte, and there is something to know here. It's called Scallop Island, and there is a reason for that. It's simply that they fish and they produce a lot of scallops, get sent all around the country, even up to France, and you can see them absolutely everywhere. They're here, and the whole mountain is the scallop shells. Hello. Bye bye. And you will see we're gonna be walking on scallop shell everywhere. Look at that. You're basically like scalloping the floor. It's crazy. Obviously, if you talk to anyone here, they will tell you they eat scallops all the time, like 24/7. Hello. Hi. How are you?
Hi.
Everyone's so friendly here. Super excited for our lunch. And you know what we're gonna be eating? I'll let you guess. Let us know in the comments if you know what we're gonna be eating. Let's go for lunch. We'll see which one of you managed to guess what we're eating. Boom!
So this tree is what, 150 years old, something like that? And you can actually stay on top as well. It's really cool. I think later on we're gonna play in the treehouse and yeah, just have a little fun.
It's so cool. I'm so excited. It's
There's
like
hammock.
every child's dream. Look at that. Wow. With swings, hammocks. We're not staying here though. We're not staying here. We're staying in another room that is really nice too, and that has the AC that's built over there. You can see the inside. It's really cool. Right now we're gonna go for lunch because we're starving actually. We did so much this morning, but it's not over because there's some cave exploration planned for this afternoon. I don't know what's gonna be, but it's gonna be amazing. Lunchtime. Who guess what we're going to eat? Are you ready? Are you ready? Any winner? Any winner? One.
Can I give them a hint? Can I show them?
Go, give them a hint. Whoa, scallops. What is that?
Crab.
Your
They look
red,
pretty
red
big,
crab.
too.
Big red crab. Like, ow! And that is
Squid.
squid and 2 fishes.
Some grilled fish. It's a lot of food.
Lots and lots
lot
of
of food.
rice.
Challenge accepted.
Yeah, I think we're hungry enough to eat everything. If you're vegan and you're coming on that island, I don't know what you're gonna eat except
There's
rice.
rice.
They really don't have much. It's not even like the other mainland islands where they have lots of veggie dishes here. People tell me they just eat scallops and rice.
It's also what the locals eat. Like the locals here, they are fishermen and they fish scallops and they eat scallops.
Oh yeah, and wait for it. Per scallop, the price is cling, 1 pesos per scallop. Guys, can you even imagine that? Trina, I saw you. Can you even imagine that? Oops. All right, fine.
Yummy.
It's crazy. 1 pesos per scallop. What the hell? Okay, let's eat. Bye bye. Ooh, scallop dance. What is
So
that?
sweet. It's a sweet scallop. That's what I love about the seafood here though, because yesterday when we were eating the crabs, they were super sweet as well. It's the same thing with the scallops. It's delicious. I'm like salivating as I talk.
Yeah, everything tastes
Excellent.
really fresh. The soy sauce. This is like totally grilled barbecue. Nothing more. Okay, we're starving. Let's meet just after for the cave exploration. Back at it. Let's go explore the cave. So in case you were wondering, this is our little house, our little cottage right now. Really cute, as you can see. It has AC also, which is very important if you want to avoid mosquitoes and stuff like that. And we have our own goat that is just chilling out and way, making sure no one enters. Also called goat guard. Alright, not funny. Let's go meet Trina. Alright, so I made it to the cave entrance. We've got Marnie right here who's gonna be our guide.
Yeah.
And because of the typhoon, it's been flooded over here, so we need to cross in the water right here, and it's gonna be pretty deep, so hopefully it's okay. Alright, so walking here, barbed wire.
Barbed wire, do you see it?
Yes, let's try not to step on it. Oh my god, look at that. It's like jungle expedition now. Oh my god, it's getting deep, guys, it's getting deep! I don't know if you guys can see, but there are like billions of larvae, of mosquitoes larvae, and in the evening right now, because of the typhoon, you just get eaten alive. It's kind of crazy. Whoa, we just discovered Atlantis, the sunken village. Guys, imagine that was a class 2 typhoon with no wind. So imagine how crazy it must be when it's like stronger. It looks like we have to hike up first, and look at that. All around us is giant bamboos. It's pretty incredible. It's a small island, but so much to see here. It's crazy. Alright, slippery, Trina?
Yeah.
Clearly not the best time after the typhoons, guys. Pretty steep. Quick tip, bring good shoes to go up. The cave is going to go from one side and come out another way somewhere around there. We're not too sure yet, actually. Maybe we won't make it out and you'll never see that video.
Welcome in Bakuitan Cave.
Thank you!
Thank you.
This is a used evacuation center during Japanese War. That is
Oh, really?
Yeah, that is the meaning of Bakuitan.
What, evacuation?
Yeah,
Oh,
and also
big typhoon.
yeah,
something.
during Typhoon Yolanda,
Yeah,
we
oh,
have 8 families inside here.
8 families, wow!
During Typhoon Ruby, it's almost 21 families here.
Wow!
Yeah, safe in the typhoon.
We just got flashlights because
And then now, sir,
gonna get dark.
This cave is a graveyard.
Oh, graveyard!
Yeah.
Oh, it's like catacombs.
Oh wow.
So if you want to see a human skeleton,